What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 24 and today's topic will be how to modify Rust element using another how to modify elements of a struct from another struct. For example, you have a struct A and you want to modify some elements of struct A using the value from another struct B. Okay, so this is going to be a very useful very important use case. So I thought of creating a separate tutorial for this thing. So by the name itself it is kind of confusing, so without wasting much time, let me just go through this thing, like how to modify struct element using another struct. So this is, by the name it's very confusing. So when I first time read it, for me also it was kind of very difficult to understand, but from the code it will be easy. So without wasting time, let me just open my IDE and quickly start writing the code. Okay, well, I did something strange, I'm not sure what I did. Okay, so now we'll define the struct and same thing, employee. Okay, so it's going to be name string. Okay, and let's say company, this is also going to be string, and let's say city. Okay, so we have three things. So our struct definition is completed. So now what we'll do, now we'll try to create another we'll try to create an instance of this struct. Okay, so first thing first, so let emp is equal to emp, and inside that we'll assign some values. So first thing, name is going to be string and it will be from, and inside that I'll put the name Ronnie. Okay, like this, and then company is going to be again another string, and this is going to be from, let's say ABC. Okay, and another will be city, and this thing, string, and this is going to be this, and inside that we'll put city, let's say Mumbai. Okay, like this, and we'll put this. So struct definition completed, and instance the instance also, we have created instance of the struct, same struct. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll create another instance now. Okay, so let give a name like emp1. Okay, and this is going to be same. Okay, emp, and this time what I'll do, I'll try to create, let's say name is equals, name is going to be string. How to do it, let me just tell you guys, and from. Okay, and here this is going to be, let's say John. Okay, and now as I told you, for let's say for the other values are same, like this thing. So without wasting much time, you can easily write like this. Okay, so this is a trick actually, company. Okay, like this you can easily write company is going to be as I told you, like how to do it. Like in the last tutorial we have seen this thing, like how to like update this thing variable. So that time we have seen how to do this sort of things, but again here we are going to use some different techniques, not the one which is going to help you, not the one as I told you, like we have seen this thing in our last tutorial, like how you can update some Rust variable, not Rust variable, like elements of a Rust, how you can modify some elements of a Rust. The same thing will be applicable here, but we are going to use some different methods. Okay, not the same method which we already used in our last tutorial. Okay, so let me just explain this thing, then it will be definitely clear to all of you guys. Okay, so we can easily like use like emp dot this one company is equal to emp dot company comma and city equals to, we have seen this dot notation using the m, like see city. So if you apply this thing, this is also going to help. And let me now just print this thing, print ln, okay, like this, okay, and we can write, sorry, and we can write here like these things like emp1 dot name, then emp1 dot company, and emp1 dot city. So this is a very useful method. If you guys see it, you can you are actually assigning some values of your struct from another struct, okay. So this is definitely going to help you. So let me just save this thing and run it, okay. So see, you got this value John ABC Mumbai. So John is here and ABC and Mumbai is coming from here. So this is one way of doing this thing, okay. So this is method 1, how to like assign some values of a struct from another struct thing. Like this is also an instance, this is also an instance, so you are updating these values here from this struct elements, okay. So let me put this thing here, but I believe this is not going to help, as not sure what happened actually, okay. So codes needs to be, okay, should be smaller size. Let me change it to 12. I think 12 is fine, but I think I should, okay, now this is fine, but fn should be here, okay. So this is fine now. Let me change the design actually, then probably this is going to help. Okay, now this is fine. I think I should not use this thing, okay, fine. Okay, so just use some zoom or other thing, then it will be easier to understand, modify. This is now a different example, or maybe best approach. So Rust gives one very easy approach where you don't have to write this many lines of code. You have to just simply write emp, okay, and this is going to help you actually. It will happen, let me explain you, and emp comma, okay. So this is actually going to help you. So you have to understand what is happening over here. So if you use this thing, this is going to take the values from here actually, sorry, not here, from here, actually. And what is this thing, emp should have a snake case, okay, that's snake wise. So let's now save this thing and run. See, John ABC Mumbai, it means whatever value is here, just take this thing, and remaining all the values will be taken from here, it means, okay. So we have already updated the name key values with John. The remaining values are company and city. It will be taking it will take this value from here. So that is why you use this thing. So this is very useful and shorthand method. So that is why I just created this tutorial. So if you are going to write long programs or maybe millions lines of code, that time this small 2-3 lines of like a shortcut method is definitely going to help you in a longer run. For example, you are having 10,000 lines of code, and out of that 10,000 line, these lines are actually exist for 500 times. So 500 into 2,000 times, so that 1,000 times will be easily like minimized using this thing. If you are going to apply this one shorthand method, then 1,000 will be replaced by only one line, right? So that is the case. So half of the task will be over. So I'm just giving you a very bad and very high level example. So this is not going to be the same thing, but definitely it is going to help you if you know this shorthand method and other techniques. So that is the essence of this tutorial. So as I told you, this is again going to be a very small tutorial. We came to the actually to the end, so there is not much left. So let me just quickly update this thing here. Okay, and I will again change it to 12. Okay, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoying the series and tutorial. Please feel free to write me if you are having any question, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, if you have any clarification, if you want us to improve some of the areas, we will also try to improve. And if you have other use cases where you want to cover us those topics for this tutorial series, please write me. I will try to incorporate all this thing. And from the quality point of view, if you have any suggestion or complaint, please let us know. We always try to improve our quality. So feel free to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy our videos, hit the like button, put some comments, so it will motivate us. It will motivate our team as well, so they are actually doing this editing and all. And for the time being, just do some practice, cause I'll be going to upload 2 more videos over this weekend, as the Good Friday and Easter weekend is going on. So probably I'll be having some free times. I'll try to cover this struct in this weekend as well. So hopefully from next tutorial onwards we'll be going to not next tutorial, next weekend onwards we'll be going to talk about some other advanced topics. So before going to that advanced topic, I want all of you guys should be familiar and crystal clear about all the concepts. So that is why I'll highly recommend you guys to do some practice, write all your codes by your own. If you are having any doubts and difficulties, reach out to me, but just don't see the ideal. This is the only thing. Okay, and last but not least, thank you very much for all the Udemy students. You guys are amazing for supporting me this crisis situation. I will try to improve my quality and will come up with some other quality contents for all of you. And same things applicable. If you're having any doubts and questions, please feel free to reach out to me via Udemy Instructor Boss. I'll always available there to help you. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.